Hello everybody, so I think I spoke too soon yesterday when I said we'd have to try and find something wrong with the Escort. So we're running a little bit of a running problem with it today with the carb. I'm pretty certain it's something to do with the idle circuit. It just won't idle at all. If you pump the throttle and rev it, it seems to be fine. So and it runs when you accelerate perfectly as well. So it was literally just after it was parked up in a car park, running fine 1 minute and then not the next. So what we'll do is we'll probably get the carb stripped off, try and find the idle circuit in it, or the idle jet if there is one. I'm not that familiar with these carbs, but we'll strip it off, and I think it's probably just picked up a bit of dirt along the way. It was parked at a weird angle, but it's probably due a rebuild anyway, just with the age of it. But yeah, I'll cover this one and I'll let you see how I get on. Right, hello everybody. Right, we're back on the Escort project. We delay a couple of days between this and the start of this video actually. So I just ordered a full rebuild kit for it. So yeah, I thought because it's all in bits, I might as well just swap out any of the wear items. So we've got some seals there and a whole load of parts that we'll have a look through, see if we can get them all fitted, identify where they go. I've never rebuilt one of these before, but I'm just going to go through each piece one by one and switch them out. Obviously clean out the carb as best I can, any of the orifices or little pipes anywhere, I'll just try and get them cleaned out best I can with the airline and some spray on carb cleaner, and we'll see how we get on. Alright, so that little diaphragm probably goes in there, so see if we can get that taken off. Try and get a wee bit of access to it first. I think probably have to take this bracket off. We'll leave that arm attached at the moment and see what it looks like when we get into it. Looks like the accelerator pump in there then. So it obviously goes that direction. A spring hiding there behind it. Looks like a little plunger in there. I need to try and get out. It's him. You can actually see inside there a little bits of dirt. It won't make out in the camera, but yeah, there's definitely dirt in there. So that sits on there like that, and that sits on there like that. So yeah, we have a replacement one of those, and there spring, and then we have the new diaphragm. So yeah, I've got a collection of cotton buds that I generally use for these type of jobs. I'll try and just collect those bits of crap in there. You can even see just washing it out, there's debris coming through all these little channels. Right, I don't think there's a great deal more to replace or clean on that. I certainly don't have anything for that there, so that seems to be one side done. Right, so this part's looks a bit more involving. I reckon we're going to have spindle seals in here to change out. I mean, I hadn't planned on doing it, but I guess I might as well because I'm this far into it. And I guess they probably are going to be worn, so yeah, it's just an interesting assortment of springs, how they're all located there. So yeah, this will be interesting. I think we'll get this one off first though. I think that's the best plan.
kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you
Right, so I cheated a wee bit. On this one I had to use the pictures I took when I dismantled to get the orientation of all these springs and everything right, but that's that all back together now, I think, anyway. All operating nice and smoothly, everything cleaned up, so I'll put that to one side and I'm going to make a start on this top one now. I'm going to take that choke apart, see what's going on with that as well. So we've also got the floats to take out, the needle valve in there, change the gasket, change the filter on that. Maybe have a wee nosy at that, and like I said, take that one out, and then just generally clean the rest up.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Gentle wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Right, so that's the carb all rebuilt now. It's looking a good bit cleaner, certainly, than it was before. And also replaced loads of bits, as you've seen from the video. So yeah, we're going to stick it on the car, get it started, and see if we need to make any adjustments on that idle screw, and then see how we get on. Right, wish us luck. See if it fires up. everybody, so just giving the Escort a quick test drive after the carb rebuild. Make sure I've not made it worse, make sure I've sorted the original problem. That would be good. Yeah, it seems to be fine, okay. I mean, it's still warming up. Choke's fully in just now. I mean, before, when I had that issue with the I wouldn't idle at all, you know, as soon as you came off the gas it just instantly stalled, so I think we have resolved that. I haven't tuned the idle jet or anything, I've just left all that as it is just now to see how it runs, but so far so good. I forgot what a nice car this actually is to drive. It's so smooth. Looks like it's fully warmed up now. Yeah, it seems pretty happy. Next on the agenda, I think, will probably be a full service for it and cam belt change. Definitely a bit of success there. It's always a worry when you strip something like that down, you're just going to make it worse. Right, so I hope everybody stayed with it for that video. I hope it wasn't too boring. Total cost of that, £42 for the carb kit. Quite a lot of that was post and packaging. I've got the rebuild kit from Fast Road Cars Limited, so yeah, they got it delivered really fast. So this is the list of the cars that I've made. So yeah, Escort looks a lot worse than it is. You know, we've got the carb rebuild we've done, we've got the wheels, rear wheel bearings, choke again to look at, interior clean, full service with fluids, and last but not least the rear arches. So we've got other cars up here, but we'll go through them in their own videos. So please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.